Welcome to another video in the series about the TI-ARM-Clang compiler. This video discusses one detail regarding how much flash memory you can save by building with TI-ARM-Clang. That detail is which compilers are used in the comparison. My name is George Mock, and I'm your guide. In a previous recording, I discussed this table, which shows how much flash memory you save by using the TI-ARM-Clang compiler, and I discussed one row in the table. In this video, I'm going to discuss the details of this column right here. Which compiler are we comparing against TI-ARM-Clang when we're making this comparison? So the first column in the table is which compiler TI-ARM-Clang is compared against. Okay, with regard to the TI-ARM-Clang compiler itself, version 1.3.0.LTS was used, and the critical option that was used is -OZ. The other compiler that we compared against is ARMCL, the proprietary compiler for ARM from TI. Its version is 2.2.5.LTS. The critical options used are -03, -MF1. And then the GCC compiler, we used two different versions when we were building the code set that goes by the name Core SDK. We use version 9.3.1, and the code base named SDK thread, we use version 7.2.1, and the critical options are -OS. Okay, so a little bit more about these critical options. These are not the entirety of the build options that were used when doing this comparison. These are the options that were used that have the most to do with avoiding the uses of flash memory. We're trying to make the flash memory footprint as small as we can, and so we tried to make this as fair as we can with regard to all these compilers, even though you can't entirely match these things given that they are in fact different compilers. As this video draws to a close, I'd like to point out two quick references. The first one is to the home page for the TI-ARM-Clang compiler, ti.com/TI-ARM-Clang. Here's where you can download the compiler, obtain the manual, and other details like that. The second reference is to e2e.ti.com. This is where you can post any question on any TI product, including questions about TI-ARM-Clang. If you post a compiler-related question, those questions are answered by me. Thank you for watching this video in the series about the TI-ARM-Clang compiler.